What is email hosting? Email hosting is a service in which a hosting provider rents out email servers to its users. The basics of email hosting isn't complicated. There are free versions of email hosting available, but the best email hosting providers for power, flexibility and professionalism are available for a fee. In this video we are going to discuss 5 best email hosting providers of 2022. This is Nobipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. The best email hosting providers of 2022. The following are the best email hosting provider of 2022. Please follow this video till the end. 1. Bluehost email hosting. If you are a small business with a small headcount and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on email accounts, then consider this. From EIG-owned Bluehost comes an exclusive business email package for TechRadar readers, where you get unlimited email accounts and email storage when you sign up to the Plus and Choice Plus plans. Is it truly unlimited though? Bluehost says that they do not enforce any official limitations. Furthermore, they add while email account creation is unlimited, these rely on the file storage available on the account. Therefore, customers need to be operating within the terms of service to ensure resources are available to fully enable email functionality. Customers operating within the terms of service have yet to come up against technical boundaries for email, domains, or websites. What's the catch then? For a start, while you get POP3 and IMAP4 plus 24-hour per week support, this is more of a bare-bone solution. You get to choose between 3 webmail applications, the equivalent of Outlook.com or Gmail.com, Horde, Roundcube or Squirrel Mail. You can of course configure an email client like Mail for Windows 10 or Mozilla Thunderbird to read your emails offline. Creating a new email address is a doddle thanks to an easy user interface. 2. Hostinger email hosting. Like Bluehost, Hostinger also offers email hosting with a difference, delivering the easy-to-use Flockmail interface to make it easy to use, send, and search your emails. This also includes a calendar app to make it easy to organize and set schedules, and the whole interface is mobile-friendly. Additionally, there is also video integration available for conferencing, which makes it especially useful for business use. There are 2 main plans available, both of which come with up to 50 email aliases, antivirus checking, and multi-device support. The business email hosting plan offers 10 GB of storage, 2 mail filters for just 99 cents a month per mailbox. The enterprise email hosting plan increases these limits to 30 GB of storage and unlimited mail filters, for just $2.49 a month. All in all, the Hostinger email hosting plan offers simplicity yet usability for a very affordable price. Hostinger offers both email and web hosting on a single dashboard, which includes an advanced search function through Titan, and overall, has great email security. 3. Dreamhost email hosting. This offers standalone email hosting among the range of different packages that this established web hosting services provider offers. Dreamhost's email hosting offers 25 GB of storage by default, with the ability to sync emails between desktop and mobile devices. Additionally, there's an ad-free webmail software platform included. Another key feature is a smart anti-spam filter, which ensures the filtering of spam messages, but also viruses, malware, and phishing attacks. The filter is adaptive to emerging threats, ensuring that you remain protected. There are a couple of key advantages in having your own hosted email account. The first is that it remains connected to your company domain name, which looks far more professional than a free email account. Additionally, it also means you have complete control over your own data, and that your emails won't be automatically scanned to provide advertising at you, something free email providers do all too commonly. Pricing is relatively inexpensive, and depends on whether you wish to pay on a monthly basis or commit to annual payments. Monthly plans cost just $1.99 a month, while a yearly commitment reduces this to the equivalent of $1.67 a month. 4. Zoho Mail. This is a hosted email service with a bundled online office suite, and a stack of other extras. Several of the newest features Zoho Mail introduced are offline mode, undo mail, recall mail, huge attachments, up to 250 MB, audio or video calls, and a few others. Zoho Mail also has an IMAP client, so you can configure, sync, and manage your other email accounts via IMAP. A free plan gives you 5 mailboxes with up to 5 GB per user, a 25 MB attachment limit and webmail access. A referral scheme could get you support for a further 25 mailboxes. At the time of writing, the referral program wasn't available due to remodeling. If that's too basic, the standard plan gets you IMAP and POP support, 500 MB attachments and 30 GB of storage, 5 GB file storage space, and support for working with multiple domains. That's more capable than some of the premium competition, and includes the same productivity tools as the free suite, yet still only costs $3 per user per month, billed annually. Zoho made the list of the best email hosting providers because its professional plan gets you 100 GB of storage per user, 1 GB attachments, support for Active Directory groups, and more. It's yours for $6 per user per month, billed annually. Not bad at all for the storage space and features you're getting. Also, Lite plan is available with less features, but it's only $1 per user per month, billed annually. 5. Scala Hosting Email Hosting. This email hosting offers a range of different business email hosting plans that offer generous storage allowances that few competitors aim to match. Additionally, there are also a number of useful security features for business email users. For a start, there's a spam blocker that is advertised as being able to block 99.98% of spam emails. There's also protection against brute force attacks to protect you from malicious activity. The email server also uses SSL protocols to encrypt your emails for added security. The email interface itself is web-based, so you can access it easily from both your desktop and mobile devices. 4 email hosting plans are advertised, providing anywhere between 50 GB to 150 GB of storage, between 10 and unlimited email boxes, and between 1 and unlimited email domains. All plans include spam protection and POP3 or IMAP or SMTP. Pricing starts at $2.95 a month, with the most expensive plan being $9.95 a month. However, these are introductory pricing offers, with renewals beginning from $3.95 to $19.95, respectively. Overall, Scala Hosting offers a more serious business email hosting range of plans than many of its competitors, and the generous storage makes this one worth looking at. Hope you get something in this video. If you have any question, please comment and we will follow up. This is Nobipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.